India marked International Day of Sign Languages 2025 with a grand celebration in New Delhi, showcasing the government's commitment to accessibility, inclusivity and empowerment of the deaf community. Here's a report.
Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment Dr. Virendra Kumar, along with Minister of State B.L. Verma and Ramdas Athawale, attended the program organized by Indian Sign Language Research and Training Center. The theme of this year's celebration was No Human Rights Without Sign Language Rights. The event witnessed cultural performances including skits, dance and music presentations by children with hearing and speech impairments, who captivated the audience with their talent. Several significant initiatives were launched on this occasion. The government announced a postgraduate diploma in ISL interpretation and teaching, along with a 6-month online ISL training program. A massive repository of 3,189 ISL e-content videos was rolled out to strengthen digital learning. Additionally, 100 new STEM terms in Indian Sign Language were introduced, and ISL was integrated into the Project Inclusion app to support inclusive classrooms. The ISL versions of 18 National Book Trust titles were also released. An English teaching program in collaboration with Teach was launched to enhance communication skills for the deaf community.
बच्चों में अगर कोई चीज़, ईश्वर ने कोई चीज़ की अगर कमी रखी है तो कोई दूसरी चीज़ों को उनके अंदर बढ़ाया भी है, और उस प्रतिभा का उपयोग करके ये बच्चे जीवन में आगे बढ़ें, सशक्त हों। इस दृष्टि से सामाजिक न्याय अधिकारिता मंत्रालय, हमारा दिव्यांगजन सशक्तिकरण विभाग लगातार प्रयास कर रहा है। हमें मिलकर ऐसा समाज बनाना होगा जहां प्रत्येक बधिरजन अपनी सांकेतिक भाषा में सहज और सम्मानपूर्वक संवाद कर सके। यही सच्चे अर्थों में समावेशी भारत का निर्माण होगा।
The winners of the 8th National Indian Sign Language Competition were facilitated during the event, adding further significance to the celebration. With these initiatives, the government reaffirmed its resolve to promote inclusivity and empower millions through sign language, ensuring communication without barriers. Kriti Vadhera's report for DD India.